नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूँ आयुष्मती ओझा और आपका स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल आयुष्मान ओझा में। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं सेक्शन 11 ऑफ द सेंट्रल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स एक्ट। यह सेक्शन गवर्नमेंट को पावर देता है कि वो एग्जेम्पशंस डिक्लेयर कर सके ऑन गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज। हम इस सेक्शन के साथ कुछ अमेंडमेंट्स और एग्जाम्पल्स भी डिस्कस करेंगे जो इसके इम्प्लीमेंटेशन को और भी क्लियर बनाते हैं। सेक्शन 11 ऑफ द CGST एक्ट। Section 11 empowers the government to grant exemptions from GST on the recommendation of pay. GST Council. Exemptions can be provided for goods and services either absolutely or subject to certain conditions. Key points of Section 11. Power to grant exemption. The government has the authority to exempt goods or services from GST. This can be done through a notification on the recommendation of the GST Council. Types of exemptions. Absolute exemptions. Goods or services are fully exempt from GST. Conditional exemptions. Goods or services are exempt subject to certain conditions. Amendments in Section 11. Over the years, several amendments have been made to include or exclude specific items from the exemption list. These amendments are generally based on economic, social, and policy considerations. Examples of exemptions: essential goods like fruits, vegetables, milk, and educational services are typically exempt. Services provided by the government or local authorities related to any function entrusted to a panchayat are exempt. Detailed explanation with amendments and examples. Absolute exemptions. For example, fresh fruits and vegetables are absolutely exempt from GST. This means no GST is applicable on the sale of fresh fruits and vegetables. Conditional exemptions. For example, services by an educational institution to its students, faculty, and staff are exempt from GST. However, if the educational institution provides services like renting out its premises for non-educational purposes, those services may be taxable. Amendment examples. One significant amendment was the exemption of sanitary napkins. Initially, they were taxed, but later, due to public demand and policy change, they were exempted from GST. Another example is the exemption of healthcare services. While basic healthcare services are exempt, cosmetic or elective surgeries are not exempt and are subject to GST. Case study. Consider a scenario where a non-profit organization provides educational services. The educational services provided by this organization to its students are exempt from GST. However, if the organization rents out its auditorium for a commercial event, the rental income from the event will be subject to GST. Conclusion. Section 11 of the CGST Act is crucial as it provides the government with the flexibility to address economic and social needs through tax exemptions. Understanding these exemptions helps businesses and consumers alike in compliance and taking advantage of tax benefits. Thank you for watching. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और चैनल आयुष्मान ओझा को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।